Stamford Hill. Obviously, Wolverhampton Fire Brigade. We've got another one up there. We've got big extension, all of that. Big things happening down in Stamford Hill. Wow. We've got we've got our brothers in arms. So obviously, we've got plenty of manpower here today, all dressed in black. Come on, jeez. You right there, mate? You right? Wow. There's a lot of views here, isn't there? We've got the extension thing out as well, bro. Obviously, this will never come out in Tottenham. It only comes out in the Jewish areas, as you can see. And this was a rapid response. Martins. Hold on. We've got ambulance here. Woo. Got another one here. Jeez, they got the Jewish people got the place on lock, fam. This is from Homerton. Jeez. Bear them out here, boy. Ambulance is already lined up. And this one's from Tottenham, so they've got Tottenham, Homerton, and Wolverhampton, bro. This is how the Jewish people have got the place on lock. Come on, you gotta give it to them. They're bad mans. Jeez. Come on. How come there's so many fire brigades came here, mate, from 3 different stations?
Why so many?
Yeah.
Because it's a high rise.
Oh, okay.
Right.
It's not because it's a Jewish area, is it? They get a bit more extra.
Anything over 3 floors now, high rise.
Oh, is
descend, aerial, and 4 places.
Where's the aerial one from?
We're all from Tottenham.
Oh, you're from Tottenham. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
3 from Tottenham.
Oh, okay.
One from Stoke and one from Holloway.
Oh, okay, yeah. And Homerton as well.
Yeah.
Wolverhampton, yeah. Four, hurrah. See? This is called unity. Alright, guys, the show is over now. The show is over. Back to the synagogue, guys. Come on, back to the synagogue. We must go back to praying. Yeah? The show is over. Hello.
Game over.
The show is over. We must go spend more time in the synagogue and pray. Huh? Come on, guys, back to the synagogue. Back to the synagogue. We have to go pray now. The danger is over, so we have to pray if God. Yeah. We'll do. Come on. Patrick! Wagwan, Benji. Wagwan. Woo! The show is over.